Alright, here we go. Video for Thomas. This is for the DeAndre Hopkins Contenders Auto. Live, ready to go. I got 10:10 p.m. Central. And we are live. 10:11. Rule is 7 times in McRazzle. We got Jeff 1, Jonathan 4, Jake 1, Lance 1, Doug 2, and Jonathan with a 5th one. 7 times, good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 times, congrats Jeff, you are the winner. $10.11